I have never seen a boat race before. Anong part of speech ang salitang boat dito sa sentence natin? Letter A, noun. Letter B, adjective. Or C, preposition. Eto pa. What do we call this in English? Letter A, horse race. Or letter B, racehorse. Okay, let's find out. Hi, I am Ma'am Charlene ko, a licensed professional teacher, and welcome back to Charlene's TV. You probably know about the nouns and the adjectives. A noun is the name of person, animals, objects, place, event. Pangalan ito ng kahit na anong bagay tulad ng house, chair, teacher, mouse, remote, while adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. Ito namang adjectives ay pang-uri, di ba? Tumutukoy ng mga nouns o pronouns tulad ng beautiful, tall, dry, crunchy, dark, handsome, clear, hard, smart, basta kahit na anong bagay na nagbibigay pa ng dagdag detalye, yan ay adjectives. Pero, paano naman ang nasa example natin kanina? Diba? I have never seen a boat race before. Sa Tagalog, hindi pa ako nakakakita ng karerahan ng bangka. Ang salitang boat ba dito ay noun or adjective? Well, technically speaking, ang tawag dito ay adjectival nouns or modifiers, diba? So, boat sa Tagalog, bangka. Diba pangalan niya na sasakyan? So, dapat noun ito. Pero, dito kasi sa pangungusap natin ay ginagamit ito para tukuyin kung anong uri ng karerahan ang hindi ko pa nakikita. Ano nga bang uri ng karerahan ang hindi ko pa nakikita? Bangka. So, karerahan ng bangka. Kaya itong boat dito ay hindi natin maituturing na noun, kundi ay adjective. Ang mga salitang ganito ay tinatawag rin na adjective nouns or mga nouns na nagiging pang-uri. Let's take a look at some more examples. Halimbawa, dayuhan lang si Mario sa isang lugar. Nagtatanong siya sa nakasalubong niya. Sabi ni Mario, "Excuse me, miss, is there any shop nearby?" Tapos sasabihin naman ng babae, "What kind of shop?" Sabi ni Mario, "A computer shop." Tapos sasabihin ng babae, "Oh, there's a computer shop at the corner." Sabi ni Mario sa Tagalog, "May shop ba na malapit dito?" "Anong shop?" "Computer shop." Ayan, di ba? Tingnan ninyo itong sagot ng babae. There's a computer shop at the corner. Inilagay yung salitang computer bago ang salitang shop para tukuyin kung anong uri ba ng shop ang pinag-uusapan nilang dalawa. Now, the word computer in a sentence functions as an adjectival noun because a computer is a name of an object, so this is a noun, di ba? But in this sentence, it functions as an adjective, so it's an adjectival noun. It's more specific, right? Mas nalaman natin kung anong uri ng shop yung kailangan ni Mario. Several words can also be added before the word shop. Here are some examples. Pet shop, repair shop, workshop, bookshop, barber shop, pawn shop, and many more. Next example, kaya pala naghanap ng computer shop si Mario kasi sabi niya, "I need to go online and check the schedule of the exhibition." So in this sentence, we don't know what type of exhibition is he gonna check, diba? But if he adds the word basketball, it will be basketball exhibition. So the word basketball is a noun that functions as an adjective to classify the type of exhibition that Mario needs to watch or to check the schedule. So, diba? Hindi natin alam kung anong uri ng exhibition kanina, pero nalaman natin kasi nagdagdag si Mario ng salitang basketball. And we could also add different words before the word exhibition. Meron tayong cooking exhibition, pool exhibition, singing exhibition, art exhibition. So, it has a lot of types, and yung salita na nasa unahan nun, yun ang tinatawag natin adjectival noun. Alright, let's take a look quickly at some adjectival nouns that we encounter on a day-to-day basis. First one, tennis ball. It is a ball used in tennis, of course. Soccer ball. It is a ball used in soccer. And hairbrush, paintbrush, toothbrush, sports club, English club, math club, science club, different kinds of club, right? So, basta, sobrang dami pa nito. Kahit na anong gusto ninyong idagdag o i-describe na salita ay pwede. Basta tatandaan ninyo na kung ano ang pantukoy, ito yung ilalagay natin sa unahan ng salita. Example, bag. Ang bag na para sa laptop, we call that laptop bag. Tignan ninyo naman, nasa unahan yung salitang laptop. Yan yung adjective noun natin. Now, kung ang bag ay para sa camera, then we call that camera bag. Tulad rin ng school bag, bag na para sa school. Handbag, bag na para sa kamay. Bean bag, bag na para sa beans. Now, let's take a look at this. Ito yung nasa intro natin kanina. What do we call this in English? A horse race or a racehorse? Okay. So, sana tama ka. Ito ay kabayo na pangarera. Kaya, ang tamang sagot ay letter B, race horse. Ito namang letter A, horse race sa Tagalog ay karerahan ng mga kabayo. If you have questions or clarifications or topic suggestion, just leave a comment, Grateful. I would love to read those. And if you learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button down there. I'm telling you, it feels good to hit that button. Napaka-rewarding kapag ka pinindot niyo yan. Magiging updated kayo sa mga topics natin in English. And right now, let's give a mega shout out to people who continuously support the Charlene's TV. Ayan, shout out po. Unahin na natin si Tito Felipe Eliaso. Thank you po, Tito, for always watching Charlene's TV. Thank you sa support. I really appreciate that. And shout out din daw sa mga kapatid na mga guardians tabak, peacemaker from District Founder Nasser sa Los Baños, Laguna. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Happy viewing. And shout out din kay Sir Doven Gonzales, ang ating HRV sa May Kawayan National High School. Hello po, sir. Salamat sa support. At nandyan din si Edvan Dianvan siya. Ito palagi itong nagme-message sa akin na tuloy-tuloy niya daw piniplay ang video at pinag-aaralan ng mga lessons kahit nasaan man siya. So, shout out din daw sa kanyang mga anak na sina Ivan Cedric Ferrer, kay Trisha at saka kay Rose Dayan. So, hello po sa inyong lahat and I'm happy na nandito pa rin kayo sa channel. So, grateful kung gusto mong ma-shoutout. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-comment ka sa baba and I would love to read all of those greetings. You may click one of this video kung may time ka pa para mag-aral today. See you sa next! Bye-bye!